Hello everyone, my name is Zezunato and I'm a full stack engineer at OpenBB. And I want to show you what we have been building. For those who don't know, OpenBB is an AI-powered research and analytics workspace, but in simple terms it's basically this web application that allows you to do investment research with AI. You might know us because of OpenBB, our open source project, which has 34,000 stars on GitHub, making it the most starred project in the category of finance. But let's focus on OpenBB Workspace, which is this dashboard. Our partnership with Pyth goes back a long time. Me and Didier met Matt in Web Summit, I think 3 years ago. And I integrated Pyth in pretty much in all of our products. For example, Didier started GameStone Terminal in 2021. Then in 2022, I integrated Pyth right after I met Mark in this GameStone Terminal in the CLI, the command line interface. There was an issue though. We realized that the command line interface was not for everyone. So we started building the enterprise product that is now free for individuals, called OpenBB Workspace, and it has this much better UI. And as soon as I started building this project, I also integrated Pyth into it, but it was not a native integration. And in the past month, the 2 months ago, I integrated Pyth natively into OpenBB Workspace, into this dashboard. And that's what I'm going to show you now. So it's this widget. The way it works in OpenBB Workspace is that you have dashboard, which is this visualization here, and then you can add all of the widgets into these dashboards. We have around 120 out of the box, but you can build in your own and bring them into the dashboard. But let's focus on the Pyth widget, which is this one. I'm going to resize them. You can reorganize the widget as you want. And the Pyth widget is a live watch list, and it's really important because it marks the first widget in OpenBB Workspace with live data that we support. So you can load how many symbols as you want. Let's say we want MicroStrategy and Tau and IPE. And you can notice that this gets updated as soon as we get a new price update from Pyth. And we also get the historical change, and this is really cool, and you can use it in Copilot and stuff. But let's go to the next demo. So as I said, you can drop your own documents into the dashboard. So I downloaded this white paper here from Pyth, the second version, and we can drop it into the dashboard and it will start uploading straight away. It takes a few seconds. After we drop it, we can update the metadata. This is important because it's how the Copilot grabs the widgets from the current dashboard. So it's good that you get a name that explains the widget well. So let's update this to this, for example, Pyth Network Financial Oracle. And then let's open Copilot. And Copilot has access to all the widgets in the current dashboard. And I'm gonna paste this prompt that basically asks Copilot to explain how Pyth works and why it is faster than its competitors, and also to give a quick paragraph to explain why Pyth is important in very basic terms. As soon as we send this message, it will read the widgets in the current dashboard. As you can see, it was able to figure out that this was the widget that we wanted. It will then send the file to the Copilot, and it will use this file to answer the question that we asked. So it explains exactly what I asked, why it is important in simple terms. So if you need a tagline for Pyth for your family, you can use this one. And you also get the sources, so if you want to double check in the document, you can do it from here. Next demo, you can bring your own custom data into OpenBB Workspace. By default, we have a bunch of equities data, so this is a small, let me show you better. So this is all the templates that we support. As you can see, it's mostly related to TradeFi data, like equities, ETFs, economic data, etc. So for example, the equity one has a bunch of data related to equities. Let's load, for example, MicroStrategy. You can see that you get the financials, technical analysis, which is the charting widget, comparison, ownership, etc. But if we don't support data that you need and you have access to this data, you can connect it by creating your custom backends. And that's what I did here with this backend that I have running on my local machine here. So this is running on this port. I connected it, and as you can see, it's the same part. So the widgets that I have on my backend can be added into this dashboard. So I have this widget with historical data, historic TVL, total value locked from DeFi and this one from CoinGecko, which provides like the top cryptos by market cap with the daily change, the all-time high, etc. I want to show you like the capabilities of this table. So you can do a lot here. Just by clicking this button, you can toggle between raw data and charts. So it tries to grab the time series and plot the charts straight away, which is really cool. But if you prefer to see just the raw data, you can. You can also filter if you only care about certain values. But I also want to show you more capabilities of the Copilot. So let's copy this prompt. And I'm gonna say, using coins table, create a table that contains a column with market cap divided by a fully diluted valuation. If you know about crypto, this is an important metric to know how much of the coin was already released to the market. And since I said using coins, it should figure quite easily what is the widget that we are talking about. And as you can see, it creates a new table with this data straight away. So we can come here, create a new widget, and just like that we have the table with this data straight away. And you quickly get the idea how powerful this can be for your financial research. As for the roadmap, as I said, we currently have mostly equity data and TradeFi data. We want to integrate more crypto data out of the box, so you can just come to a new dashboard and search for like widgets from CoinGecko and DeFi. So that's definitely on the plans. We want to keep improving the bring your own data, which is this mechanism that I showed you. We currently have, I showed you integrating a backend, but you can connect data from MySQL, Snowflake, Databricks, you can bring your files, etc. We want to also add public sharing, so you can share your dashboards with your friends, with your family. And we want also to keep implementing and improving enterprise workflows for product growth. That was pretty much what I had to show you. I hope you liked it. If you want to try it, pro.openbb.co. It's free. If you reach any issue, feel free to contact me on Twitter, and I'm always down to help. Thank you.